Hello friends, welcome, and this is the first session, day 1, session 1 for CCNA. So I will take you through the entire course. Probably it should take like 20 to 25 sessions and we will complete the CCNA topic. And throughout the video, whenever you have any question, whenever you have a doubt, please put into the comments section and I will reply back on your comment. Okay, so we are here to learn and to know more about CCNA. So when we talk about CCNA, Cisco Certified Network Associate. Okay, so first let's learn what a network is. Let's get to know what is networking. Networking is the basic concept on which CCNA stands. So we need to know network, we need to know networking before we can go ahead through all of these sessions and learn CCNA. Okay, now become a CCNA. So when I talk about networking, so I can take it into two parts. First is system network and second is core networking. Okay, all right, so what do you mean by system network? System network is your client to server relationship. This is the basic network, a computer network, a client to server relationship. It's a OS based like Microsoft Linux. So we will not go much into system networks. All right, we will majorly concentrate on core networking. Now what is core networking? If I take three parts of core networking, this is the major part of what we will cover: LAN, WAN, MAN. Okay, so we'll start from here. Right, so when we talk about LAN, WAN and MAN, so all of these three concepts, they deal with two operating systems. Those operating systems or those networking concepts are Cisco and Juniper. Okay, so CCNA is about Cisco. So we know now where we are going to. All right, so we are learning Cisco, that deals with LAN, WAN, MAN of core networking. Now what is LAN? All of the details we will get into that in a short while. This was the basic understanding of what we are going through in the next probably next 20 sessions. Alright, so in the first session we will just go through this diagram or this structure that you see on the board. We will go through all of these. We will know the basics, we will know where we start. All right, so LAN being the first part of this, most of us know it's local area network. All right, so just basic about LAN, just an overview or a refresher what LAN is. This is a local area network. This network could be in your house, okay, in your office, in your floor which is locally connected through a UTP cable. This is LAN. Alright. So it can be an office, it can be two offices next to each other, locally connected through a UTP cable. UTP cable, the size it supports is 100 meters. So LAN is any network. There could be one office. If we are talking about this, give it area A, okay, and another office area B. If the distance between these two offices are less than 100 meters, or you can also extend the UTP cable, if they can be connected through a UTP cable, then this system is a LAN. This networking, this concept is LAN. Not necessarily be it just one building, be it just one floor, but it can be two buildings or take three buildings which are all connected through the UTP cable. This is a single network. Okay, I'm talking on very basic terms so that someone who is listening or who is getting this information for the first time, he should also be able to get the thorough information. Alright, it could be three buildings connected through a UTP cable is LAN. That is my office. I just give it any name like BBKS. This is my office. I have my UTP cable connected through the three offices. I call it my LAN. Okay. Now what is WAN? The second part is WAN. Now let's take the same structure A, B and C. Okay, I do not have a UTP cable. I have asked a third party vendor to support my network. Okay, so this setup cannot be LAN. This setup will be called as WAN. Okay, because I am using a third party support to get this connected. Okay, so I contact my ISP, which is Internet Service Provider, and my ISP helped me to connect A, B and C. So this network is called as WAN. This cannot be LAN. LAN is local area network. So for basic understanding, the difference between LAN and a WAN is that in a WAN there is an ISP which is used, a third party which is used to connect. Okay, so that should be it. Now coming to MAN, M-A-N. MAN is Metropolitan Area Network. It is also called as Metro Ethernet. Talking about WAN. Yeah, sorry, MAN. Okay, what happens here? For example, we use our internet service provider. For example, take Ticona or take Beam, which we use in Hyderabad. So what happens is they give us a user ID and password. So I use my user ID and password and log in to Ticona. Okay, now I change my house. I was first located in area A. Okay, my house was here in area A. Now I got shifted to area C. My house is now here. So what happens is when I get my shipping complete, I call my ISP and I tell him that I have changed my location from A to C. So what happens? My internet service provider has his network set up across all the areas. So what will ask me is just go to your new house, just connect to your LAN and log in with your user ID and password. So this is MAN, which can be used in any area or any city. If you have a big service provider, any city, any area, just log in with your username and password, you will be connected to internet. This is MAN. Okay, so this was the basic concepts of what LAN, WAN and MAN is. Now from the next session we will get into Cisco. We will start to know about the basics of IP addresses, so what Cisco is and how do we proceed with the CCNA part. I will take that in the next video. So this will be enough for the first session. Please like and subscribe, and do let me know if you have any questions in the comment section, and I will be able to help you and answer you on that. Thank you.